All right, it's Law Dog Corvette. Once again, today we are going to put that engine along with the transmission into this vehicle. Now, with the C3 Corvettes, the engine actually sits behind the where the front wheels are. So you're not able to get to the engine with a cherry picker from the front. You have to come from the side, and that's what we'll be doing. Nothing special about this cherry picker. I think it's Harbor Freight. It'll work. You have to raise the vehicle up enough to take this wheel off, and then these bars of your cherry picker are going to have to slide up underneath there. The engine is going to come over this fender and then sit right here. Now, according to Corvette Ben, if you don't know Corvette Ben, he's an excellent YouTuber, and I personally asked him this question: what is the best way to put the engine in and then slide up underneath the car to put the transmission on, or to put it all together and then basically put the engine and transmission together? He said, engine and transmission, you can do it. It's not that difficult. So that's what we're going to be doing today. That engine is going to come up. It's going to be in this general area. We're going to slide it over the vehicle. Transmission tail down into the tunnel. I've got a jack up under there set up, and then we will shimmy the engine, transmission on top of the transmission mount, and then of course the idea is the engine's going to fit in between these two dug headers that we already have set up. All right, so that's what's going to happen. I'm going to set the camera up. Start pumping. Oh, do we have it? Yeah, we have it already for this second.
You buy this cherry picker just for Corvette?
Yep.
You get it brand new?
Yep.
It held it for like a couple years.
It was kind of on blocks. All right, let's move it while we have it generally low.
Make sure that we're in the. Did you make sure that we're in the camera angle?
Yeah. Hold it. I'm gonna. All right. I think that's enough.
I don't think we can have that jack there. Because we have to, or what if we get it, when we get it past the jack, we tilt it more that way.
There you go. Yeah. What are we hitting?
Jack.
That jack?
Yeah.
All right. Stay right there. All right, now we're moving the whole contraption that way. that way?
Yes. I'll just come back a little bit. Now we're gonna eject.
Can we take the whole thing? That's about it, right? All right. I guess start super slow, because I gotta push it this way. Keep going.
Yeah, I got it.
Keep going.
Alright.
All right. Keep going.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, am I on it? So I need to now move the machine this way. All right. Okay, super slow. Stop. Okay, let's move the machine.
We're gonna have to come out because down or
Yeah, go down a little bit.
just back.
Super slow. Alright, I gotta go back. This whole machine has to come back now. If I can get up underneath there. Here, why don't you hold this out, because I'm having to press it out.
There you go.
That should have given you some room, right?
A lot of room.
Okay.
Okay, we'll come down some. Can't really go down that much. Pretty clear the radiator.
Alright, stop. Stop.
It is.
Stuck on the
Header.
clutch. Clutch mount.
Okay.
Alright, let's
Push it back a little bit.
Alright, stop here because I may be past my.
Oh, you might need to jack up the back.
Nope, I got plenty of room. Man, I got plenty of room. But I can jack it up a little bit.
Oh, Dad, do you want me to go get my phone so that you can keep that running, and then you can use my phone to videotape, like, we're just making sure this is, not hitting this, and we clear this, or do you just want to do a time lapse and then explain it?
We'll just time lapse, I'll talk to it.
Oh yeah, you can talk to it, put like audio over it. Do you want me to go down or just leave it?
Nope, I want you to stay right there for this second. Alright.
Want to go back more or down?
Why don't you come down just the tiniest bit? Because I'm clear on all sides. A little more. Alright, what happened? This went the wrong way? See what
Back.
Huh?
Well, are we going to go back some more?
See where my transmission is? need to move the contraption back.
Watch out. Is your engine mount in the header over there?
A little bit. All right. So
I think.
if you let it go, okay, all right. So slow, and then remember which way is
Sorry about that.
up and down. A little down, maybe 3 inches. All right, stop. I need to clear that header.
Like not even a centimeter down lower.
All right, go ahead and down a little bit lower. All right, stop. Definitely pass my header on this side.
Okay.
All right, let's push her back some. I gotta go underneath there.
Down. Or can we go back in further?
Let's see if you can just grab this and let's push it back. There we go.
Okay, now we just need to go down.
All right, down a little bit. Nice and slow. All right, stop. Needs to come back more on my end. And what's it look like on here?
Back.
All right, I'm lined up.
I'll just go down.
Yeah, I can come down. All right, I'm on. You on?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're on. Okay. All right, big break. All right, you saw it in real time. That's how we did it. You got to come from the side. You've got to have, this is a 2-person job every day of the week. You got to come from the side, you got to have somebody working the crane, and you got to have somebody watching the tail of the transmission. Let me tell you, the transmission never even came close to not clearing the manual transmission cross member. You know, this is not an automatic car, so the cross member is not removable. This is a solid cross member. When I had the frame off, I wish I would have cut that cross member and made it removable, but I didn't. So, but listen, it was easy. It was not hard to get that transmission tail down at an angle and then up to clear the cross member. I used a floor jack to give me some support for the tail. Really not that big a deal at all. All right, so now it's just fix and finish. We're gonna put the bolts on for the engine mounts. We're gonna mount up the transmission, and this brand new, rebuilt, numbers matching, 350 bored over to 40 thousandths over with a roller cam is ready to get the rest of the stuff hooked up, and we should be firing this thing up possibly tonight, definitely by tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. You can get an engine in and out of the Corvette. It's not that hard. Talk to you later.